Oh my, no. Help Byron. Thank you. But I found something. Look. Yes, sir. Slow down. What's got you racing around in this heat? Oh my, no. Digging the foundations is the most important. And that's what I do. I think that's enough. If you say so. Ooh. Well done. Move aside, little fella. I don't think I can hold this much longer. Go, Buster! Hooray for Buster! Go, Buster! Safety first! Oh my, Ned, you're not here to demolish. You're here to scoop up the rubble. Oh, bother! Ouch! 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 Ow! No! I think you've done enough for one day. Hello, Alfie. Hello, Jack. Sorry I'm late. I took a wrong turn. But all I have in my shovel is dirt and rocks. I'm Oliver. No, it wasn't an engine. Not mine. We've run out of dynamite. We're waiting for a train for Benham Docks. I don't really think that will work, Marion. Come on, gang. Let's go and wait for that dynamite. Yes, there can. Ho, 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 ho.